Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very special phone that is trending in the market. Yes, today we are reviewing the Huawei Mate 70 Pro, which is impressing everyone with its features and specifications. From its design to its camera, performance and battery, everything is top-notch. So let's take a look at all the features of this phone that make it the best in the market. Body and build. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus has a solid and premium body. Its frame is made of titanium alloy, which is more durable and lightweight. If we talk about its dimensions, this phone is 164.6 by 79.5 by 8.3 millimeters in size, and it weighs 226 grams, which is a bit heavy, but the weight is perfect for giving it a premium feel. It also has Huawei Kunlun Glass 2 protection, which protects the display from scratches and damage. Its design is also very sleek, and this phone is IP68, IP16 dust water resistant, so you can easily take it into some water without worrying about damage. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes in black, gray, white, and green colors, so you can choose the color you prefer. Fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor of this phone is side-mounted. Display. Now, let's talk about the display. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus features a 6.9 inches LTPO OLED display. The peak brightness is 2500 nits. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. The operating system of this phone is Harmony OS 4.3. Harmony OS provides a smooth and optimized experience. The phone is powered by the Kirin 920 chipset, which is a high-performance processor. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 512GB storage and 16GB RAM. And if you need more storage, there is also an option for 1TB storage and 16GB RAM. Now let's talk about the camera. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus has a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel wide camera with an f1.4, f4.0 aperture featuring PDF and OIS. This camera captures excellent photos even in low light. A 48 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with an f2.1 aperture offering 3.5x optical zoom, and it also features PDAF and OIS. A 40 megapixel ultra wide camera with an f2.2 aperture which captures 120 degrees wide angle shots and comes with PDAF. The camera supports 4K video recording, 1080p HDR, and gyro EIS. Selfie camera. When it comes to selfies, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus has a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.4 aperture. It also features a TOF 3D sensor, which works for depth and biometrics. For selfie video recording, the phone supports both 4K and 1080p. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with stereo speakers, which provide loud and clear sound. It supports NFC and also has an infrared port. However, it does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but it does come with a USB Type-C 3.1 port, which supports OTG and DisplayPort 1.2. The battery of this phone is quite impressive. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is equipped with a 5700 mAh SiC battery. For charging, it supports 100-watt wired charging, which is very fast. If you prefer wireless charging, it supports 80-watt wireless charging. Additionally, it offers 20-watt reverse wireless charging and 18-watt reverse wired charging. So friends, this was the complete review of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. From its body to its camera, every feature is impressive. If you are looking for a premium phone that excels in performance, camera, and battery, then this phone could be the perfect choice for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more reviews like this.